In this video series, I am going to explain the basic concepts of algebra. I am going to start by explaining how to work out this equation, 3x minus 3 equals 6. And I am going to solve this to find the value for x. I am going to start by first using the formal method, where I will be explaining what we are going to really do in order to solve this. So let's first understand what is the meaning of this expression here. So here we are saying that 3x minus 3 is equal to 6. Now this equals symbol here means that what we have on the left-hand side of this equation is equivalent or equal to what we have on the right-hand side of this equation. So if I have to compare this to something more practical, imagine we have a weighing scale, an old type of weighing scale, where we have something like this and something like this. If on this side we have, for example, 4 apples, in order for this weighing scale to remain in equilibrium, to remain balanced, we have to make sure to put on this side the equivalent weight of these 4 apples. To make this example simpler, let's put another identical set of 4 apples here. Like that, this weighing scale is in equilibrium. So basically, the pivot here is representing our equals, because here I am saying that what is on the left-hand side has the same weight of what is on the right-hand side. And it is basically the same meaning that we have here. What is on the left of this expression is equal to what is on the right of this expression. Let's come back to this weighing scale example. Let's say we want to put another apple here. In order to keep this balance in equilibrium, we have to put the equivalent apple on the right-hand side as well. In other words, in order for this weighing scale to remain balanced, whatever we do on the left-hand side, we have to do it on the right-hand side. If you understand this concept and apply it to algebra, you will be able to easily solve these type of algebraic problems. So here we have 3x minus 3 equals 6. In order to solve this, we have to get x subject of the formula, and we put all the rest on the other side. Like that, we will get x is equal, and we will have the answer. So let's start to do this bit by bit. And let us first start by getting rid of this minus 3. If we have a minus 3, in order to get rid of it, we have to add 3. But to use the concept of equilibrium in a weighing scale, because we have the equal sign there, what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to add 3 on both sides. So 3x minus 3, I'm going to add here plus 3, which is equal to 6, but I am going to add another 3 on the right-hand side as well. If we work these, minus 3 plus 3 will give us a 0, so we will remain with 3x. And 6 plus 3 will give us a 9. Okay? Now here we have 3x is equal to 9. But we want only one x. So what are we going to do? To get 1x, since we have 3x, we have to divide this by 3. But in order to keep the equilibrium, since I have divided by 3 on the left-hand side, I am going to divide by 3 on the right-hand side. So now, 3x division by 3 will give me an x, because these 3 will cancel out, and 9 division by 3 will give me a 3. And this is the answer for x. So now we know that x is equal to 3.